Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add an attachment to your email and what I think is the quickest way. Now, typically, most people would go to New and then they would go on to the Message tab here. And then if you don't see the little pin here, you can come over here to the three dots and then hit Attach File, go to browse this computer, and then you can select as many as you want here. You can hold control and select two if you want, or you can just select one and hit open. Or you can, if you know where your, so say you didn't have this open and you created the email already and you knew exactly where you had to go, you open your file, drag it over here, hit downloads, and then just drag it over here. And then you can choose where you want it to go. You can upload to OneDrive or you can attach a file and then let it go. And the same thing, you can select one, hit control, and then select another one or as many as you want. And then you can just drag it over here and do the same thing. And that's pretty much it. All right, if this helps you, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. And please leave a comment below if let me know which one you prefer and which one you think's quicker. All right, have a great night. Thank you.